Waves.
Yeah.
Today
I was like, why does my lip hurt so much? That's a much better rhythm. Heel down. You're on a big jumping horse. Got to keep that heel down so you don't float in the air. Shove that heel down. Don't lean. Look, down the middle. Heel down, shove that heel down, sit on the saddle. There you go, sit up. Better. See, so it's good for you to have to come out here and jump a little bit bigger fence where your position really has to be right on a big jumping horse. You know, when they're 2 feet, you can kind of